Good afternoon, students. Today we will start the new chapter, that is how do organism reproduce. Okay, so here we will see what is reproduction, what are the types of reproduction. Okay, in this video we will see two things, that is what is reproduction and the types of reproduction. So first we should know the definition of reproduction. Okay, the process by which living organism produce more living organism of its own kind. Okay, so what is reproduction? The process by which living organism produce more living organism of its own kind. Living organism means they can be both plant as well as animals. Okay, so the living organism may be, reproduction takes place in both, that is plants or animals. Okay, so the of its own kinds means they will produce new offspring of its own kind, and the offspring, they will grow, mature, and it will turn, and again it will produce new offspring. Thus what happens, there is a cycle of birth, growth, and death. We can see in our human being also, when a child grow, take birth, okay, then after the child grow to a certain age, and after a certain age, that is the death occur. So for all living organism there is a particular age. Okay, for example, some are having only 4 months. Okay, some are having, like for example, human being, we say for human being 72. Okay, so for every living organism there is a particular age to live. Okay, so therefore reproduction ensures a continuity of a life of a species on earth. So what, due to reproduction, what, there is a continuity of life in the species of earth, means in this earth the living organism, whether it's plants and animals, when they reproduce, the continuity of life is maintained, means no organism is finished. Okay, means the new offsprings are there. So we will see next, that is the types of reproduction. So reproduction is of two types. First, that is asexual, reproduction, and second is sexual reproduction. Okay, so there are two types of reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction is what? The process of reproduction in which new individuals are produced from a single parent. Okay, so in asexual reproduction only single parent is required, and in sexual reproduction two parents are required, because there is requirement of gamete. Okay, so gamete, for example, we will discuss later. So asexual reproduction, it mainly takes in single cell organism such as amoeba, eubacteria, protist, and many plants and fungi also reproduce asexually as well. So there means asexual reproduction takes place in unicellular, or we can say single celled organism. Okay, and sexual reproduction takes place in multicellular organism. Okay, means here two parents are required in this to produce new offspring. For human, for example, human, tiger, many. Okay, there are many examples for this sexual reproduction. Okay, so in asexual reproduction, only single parent, or we can say so we can define asexual reproduction that the process in which new individuals are produced from a single parent. And we can define the sexual reproduction as the process in which new offsprings are produced from two parent. Here we can see example amoeba, or we can say unicellular organism. And here human being, tiger. Okay, so this is what just we have seen what is reproduction and the types of reproduction. Reproduction and the types of reproduction, that there are two types of reproduction: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, in only single individual is in which single individuals are new individuals are produced from single parent. Sorry, okay. And in sexual reproduction, the process in which new offsprings are produced from two parents. Okay. Then we'll see the types of. Now we will study in detail asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Okay. So now we will see asexual reproduction. Yes, now we will start asexual reproduction. So some point, what is asexual reproduction we have discussed later also, that in this only single parent is involved to produce new offspring. For example, unicellular organism, amoeba, and etc. Okay, so first we will see some points that in asexual reproduction is uniparental, okay, these are uniparental. Then in this, sex organs are not formed. Here, formation of gametes and union of gametes are not involved, means fertilizations are not involved. Okay, formation of gametes and union of gametes means we can say fertilization are not involved. Okay, formation of gametes and union of gametes means, since in sexual reproduction two parents are required, male and female, so that is gamete, male gamete and female gamete. But in asexual reproduction what happens? Only single parent is there, so there is no formation of gamete and there is no union of gametes, means fertilization does not takes place. Okay, so if fertilization doesn't take place, means there will be no zygote formation. Okay, when there is zygote, then only zygote is formed, then only when there is fusion of gametes. Then in this, the new progeny arise from a single cell or from a part of the parent. Then in this word, the progeny and parent will be genetically similar. Okay, means this, like we have seen in the fourth point, what in this the new progeny arises from a single cell. Since this asexual reproduction takes place in single cell organism or a part or from a part of parent, so in this word the new progeny means progeny, we can say the new offspring also, or the new offspring and the parent will be genetically similar, means they will be looking similar, means we can say clone type. Okay, the parent and the progeny or offspring will be looking similar. We can't identify whether it is a plant parent or whether it is a offspring, new offspring. Okay, then next point we can see that in this large numbers of progenies are produced with asexual reproduction. Then one more point we can see, that is example bacteria, yeast, amoeba. There are many examples we will discuss later. Okay, then Next we will see there are different types of asexual reproduction. Okay, then we will see types of asexual reproduction. Okay, so in this there are different types of asexual reproduction. First is fission, then second is fragmentation, third regeneration, fourth budding, then fifth vegetative propagation, last is spore formation. Okay, so these are the types of asexual reproduction: fission, fragmentation, regeneration, budding, vegetative propagation, spore formation. So these different types of asexual reproduction takes place in different organism. Okay, so next video we will study the types of asexual reproduction. Thank you.